Hey friends, if you're unable to extract zip files on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through one solution only. If this works, well and good. If it doesn't work, then I guess nothing will work. So, search for 7-zip on your browser, okay? And then download the software from its official website, which is 7zip.org, the latest version, okay? Click on open, let it install, it needs a while, and click on install. Let it install and close it. Now, I'll show you how to unzip a file, okay? Right click on the file, select this option 7-zip, click on this option extract files, okay? And that's it. Click on OK. This will unzip the file. If this does not work, then nothing else will work. I have tried many other solutions and I know this. It's not an issue with the system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.